going forward for Parakore and for recycling on the marae, what's the next steps for Pohara?
I guess just thinking a bit earlier, still finding recycles and that in the bags. Maybe we need a little say area inside our kitchen that's a specific recycling area. There is room just in that back door there. We also haven't tightened up on our booking, the way we book out the marae. Like we're still working through that as a marae as well, and perhaps maybe specifically stating in there what happens with the rubbish, because it's still we say that it's up to the whānau that hire the marae. Well, it's their responsibility to dump their rubbish, but we've still had hui here where people have just locked the door and left, and all their rubbish has been sitting outside, so it still becomes the responsibility of the whānau. So I think tightening up on that booking process and showing people what to do, specifically, so when they get the keys, they actually get a booklet that says, this is what you do with the linen, but this is also what you do with all the recycles and the rubbish as well. And once people are aware, they just becomes, that's what you do when you come here.